What if you could turn this simple text into a viral video like this using AI in under 7 minutes? You've probably seen those viral faceless videos racking up millions of views. What if I told you that you could make the same kind of videos? No fancy gear, no voice, and no editing skills required. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use ChatGPT plus Pixverse.ai to create scroll-stopping AI videos step by step, even if you've never edited a video before. Creating content used to be hard. You needed a camera, a mic, editing software, and hours of time. But thanks to AI, now all you need is an idea and a few clicks. With just ChatGPT for scripting and Pixverse for video generation, you can make binge-worthy content on autopilot. Step 1. Head over to ChatGPT. Type in your niche or topic. Let's say you're doing a video about the rise of AI art. In seconds, ChatGPT gives you a full script. You can tweak it or add a hook, but the heavy lifting is done. Step 2. Now, go to Pixverse.ai. This is where the magic happens. Log in, click on Create Video, and paste the script you got from ChatGPT. Then choose your style: cinematic, cyberpunk, vlog, documentary. For AI art, let's go with cinematic. Click Generate, and boom! In under 60 seconds, your video is ready. Want to add voiceover? You can use tools like 11 Labs for AI narration, or let Pixverse handle it. Prefer music only? Upload royalty-free background tracks or let Pixverse auto-sync audio to visuals. Customization checkers control. Most people scroll all day, but few realize the power in their fingertips. AI is leveling the playing field. Now anyone with an idea can create content, grow an audience, and build income streams, even anonymously. This isn't just a hack, it's a digital revolution. Quick bonus tips to make your videos actually go viral. Use hooks in the first 3 seconds. Add emotional storytelling. Even if it's AI, keep videos under 90 seconds for max retention. End with a question to boost engagement. These tiny tweaks are the difference between 10 views and 1 million. So now you know how to create high-quality AI videos. Fast, cheap, and without showing your face. If you want more tools like this, or a full blueprint to build a